Welcome back. This, by the way, is my first video of 2016, and we will continue here with Hearthford. It's been a great time with the holidays and frost feast and such. And by the way, for those of you who haven't seen the frost feast holiday mod, I suggest you check it out by viewing my last few videos. It's worth it. But now it's over and back to normal. So let's focus on our fledgling settlement here. And first, we need more wood. So let's clear out some of the trees here. Oh, our trapper just leveled up. Very good. And let's see here. Things are going well. Next we shall place these lanterns for some lighting. And we also got a few extra beds to place. As you can see, we're clearing a lot of trees here, but we now have a possibility to plant new trees and do some reforestation. And to do that, you ask? Well, the farmer can do this by planting some seeds just like ordinary crops. So we do this right here. Then you select some oak tree sapling, and the farmer will plant some acorns, and these acorns will eventually germinate, and the seedlings will grow over time into saplings that you can plant anywhere you like. And then the saplings will continue growing slowly into trees that are harvestable. But bear in mind that it's a very slow process, so it's advisable to plant early on. We got a wooden sword here, so we can promote a Hearthling into a footman. And this guy here will do the job perfectly. guess the next step. I think let's look around here. Oh, and there's the update. And good, we got a new Hearthing running Hearthford. Excellent. There's a kind of mysterious monument here. Looks like a rabbit or one of its ancestors. I like the mystery surrounding fabled rabbit people. Makes me wonder how they will get implemented later in the game, because we know there will be some rabbits alive or something there. But for now, we might as well get the stone from it, since we need stone. So when you see these monuments, you can get quite a bit of stone from it. So it's a good idea to get it. It would be a good idea to start mining for some stone and minerals now. So let's begin a mining operation here, nearby the mountain. And we go toward deeper in the mountain here. We get a lot of clay now from digging, which can be eventually used to make bricks, but I prefer to get the stone now. But if we're lucky, very lucky, we might stumble on a mineral vein, and boy, that will provide for a good amount of these minerals. But let's see, you never know. And that's what's fun with digging. Seems our farmer has leveled up. He even started to plant the acorns, so may they grow into marvelous trees. What I would like now is to have some roads around the town and also toward the mine and the forest. So let's begin designing a road system now. I'll just check what this merchant has in stock. Yeah, we can sell for gold once again. We do have a lot of food. Okay. Store in the chest I put in this building there. Okay, so back to designing our road system. So you select design building here, and you have some accessories here you can build, including roads there. And I would like them to be made of stone, gravel like, or a bit sandy like. That will look good. And then you just have to draw them. All around the town, alongside this stockpile here. And a road system will help to get the Hearthling moving faster from a location to another. So they're more important than you might think. So it's a good idea to have a road system there. Okay, there we go. So they will start by digging the trenches here, and after they will pave it with whatever material you selected. Oh, there's more berries you can harvest too. Let's see with the footman. We should manage a party here. So if we're getting an emergency, we'll be able to react very fast. So I'll create a new party with our loyal footman there. Excellent, so we have this party. Number 1 for defense. Oh, cool. Farmer level 2 now, which means he can be promoted into a cook. So excellent there. The cook will be welcome in the settlement for better food. Place a few more lanterns here. And I guess that will be it for now. So I will continue into the next video. See ya!